Good morning, everyone. I'm going to do a quick update on the markets. We're going to be looking at the S&P 500 futures, and here we go. We have here the lows back in at the beginning of October. We rallied up all the way to 1289. I think it was 31st, and then we started this consolidation now. Now we have been into this consolidation for a few days, and yesterday started to break out of it. Go ahead and see it right here. We started breaking out, although the volume was kind of light at the breakout, which I'm a little skeptical um, about it, because also uh, I like to see the MACD moving averages. Since we have the MACD moving averages within this downtrend line, I like to see the MACD moving averages also bust out of the downtrend line to give me some sort of confirmation. The stochastic is also starting to get into the overbought area, which is a good sign, and we're just gonna have to see what happens today after it opens. I do have to want to point out that the Qs are in this uh, um, diamond wedge pattern, diamond consolidation pattern, continuation pattern, and let me go ahead and zoom in on the daily. And yesterday it looked like we're starting to break out of it. So we'll have to see what happens today with the Qs. Maybe it'll give enough juice to the market to for the S&Ps to come along and start playing nice with the Qs, and maybe or the Nasdaq, and the market will carry on from there. Gold, the gold sector, okay, the gold sector and the silver sector seem to be catching a bit, or moving higher. We broke out of. Okay, sorry about that. I had a little bit of interference in the background, so background noise. We have. I was talking about the gold futures, how we bounced off this uptrend line, longer term uptrend line. We consolidated, then we broke out. We consolidated again, and now we're broken out again. Yesterday we broke out with nice volume for the upside. Now we have to see if there is a lot of pent up supply up here, so we have to see how we work it out. There is a possibility that we may just get up to this area again, and then we'll come back down. In that case, it'll give us some sort of uh, rising, not a rising rate, rising triangle for next year. And once we break out of that next year, then will give us the next target, probably around 2,500, which has been my target from even a couple years ago. So far, silver is still kind of lagging a little bit. Let me just show you real quick. Like you can see, this daily chart, silver's still lagging. Um, so I don't know. I don't know if that gold is. That's the reason why I'm a little skeptical about gold breaking through the last highs. So since silver is sometimes um, tends to be the tail sign of what's going to happen again. So, um, but then again, it's all dependent on the dollar. The dollar once again was consolidating to start breaking down to the downside. So, and this is only a 2 hour chart, but we'll probably be heading to this 74 area. So, thank you for listening. This is directionanalysis.com.